launching my home decor channel March 2021.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me.
I've been naturally creative all my life. With health challenges and COVID-19, I've had to rethink my choices for supporting myself. So what better to do than go back to my roots of arts and crafts? I will be creating beautiful arts and crafts and home decor pieces. Please join me by subscribing to my channel. Our world as we know it is changing right before us, and working at home is more of an option than it has ever been. I want to encourage anyone who's having a difficult time to share your skills and knowledge and start some type of small online business, and maybe consider starting a YouTube channel. Just jump right in and go for it.